due to termite attack on wooden cabinets, moisture issues, and mainly due to low quality plywood used. Many recommended Venezia aluminium kitchen cabinets during house construction, but then I took the wrong decision of cheap quality plywood and now I am suffering.
Now renovated my kitchen with professional and good quality Venezia aluminum kitchen cabinets and wardrobes. No termites, no maintenance. This is really wonderful. I would recommend Venezia aluminum modular kitchen and wardrobes for your homes for good quality and professional low maintenance interiors.
Termite-free, economical, colorful, low-maintenance home interiors. Always the best option is Venezia Aluminium Interiors. Contact us now at
Wells. Contact Venezia Interiors at 940-490-326. We provide services in Bangalore, Kerala and Mysore. Venezia Aluminium Kitchen വാർഡ്രോബുകൾ ഇപ്പോൾ കേരളത്തിലെ ഒഴിവാക്കാനാവാത്ത ഇന്റീരിയറുകളാണ്. മിക്ക വില്ലകളും ഫ്ലാറ്റുകളും ആർക്കിടെക്റ്റുകളും Venezia Aluminium ഇന്റീരിയറുകൾ തിരഞ്ഞെടുക്കും. Venezia provides end-to-end interiors like bedroom cupboards,